Hey, what's up? This is Scott Witebski with Edina Realty. I'm here in front of 4140 Ives Lane in Plymouth, Minnesota. I'm going to be holding an awesome open house here from 12:30 to 2:30 this Sunday, July 29th. Everything about this house is just amazing. They have newer high-end siding on the exterior. The landscaping you can see is just gorgeous. The interior is 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, about 4,000 square feet of pure awesomeness. Everything is newer and updated. It's 100%, I'm not exaggerating at all, completely 100% turnkey move-in ready. As I said, everything's newer and updated from the kitchen to the mechanicals, to the deck, to the patio. I mean, they even put in high-end, beautiful epoxy flooring in the garage. It looks like a car showroom. Open house is not to be missed. You've got to see this home. Come by again, 12:30 to 2:30 this Sunday. I'll see you there. Peace. Bye.